Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna present to you my new smartphone, mini smartphone from Unihertz. Sounds like a German firma, but well, it's a Chinese one. Yeah, so it have nice specifications. I think it's okay for a very small smartphone. It, like I said, is a Chinese firma, but it looks It looks, I don't know, it looks professional. So inside the box you have the, as usual, the user manual and the warranty card and so, but we don't need to look that. So here it is. Here it's the small beauty. It looks so cute. Yeah, it don't look a cheap one because you just see and feel a cheap thing when you hold one, but yeah, inside the carton you have this. I have no idea what that is. It's the Unihertz logo, the charger, and wait, this is the most important part, the folie. So, onto it. Wait, I think it's. Yeah, we need to open it because it's not like the normal smartphone with the integrated battery, so wow, the battery is in the folie. Who does that? Yes. So we put the folie to the side. You see inside the two double SIM cards and the SD card port. Yeah. So on-way power. Hmm. Okay. It's it is very small. I mean, my gaming phone is huge comparing to this. It's yeah. This stress me. So we put all this to the side. Unihertz. So if we put the box from my gaming smartphone, the Red Magic, comparing to this mini box, it's crazy small. So here are the details: 3 GB RAM, 32 GB memory. So yeah, comparing to the Red Magic with 18 GB RAM and 250 GB memory, I think a few it can eat a few small things like this. Yes, but yeah, so we gonna, yeah, first the camera. I will never use this phone. I will just make some cool gaming videos. So now downloading Call of Duty Mobile. See how's that gonna go. And downloading and waiting and waiting. I cut much of that video because I waited long. So here it is. Site, okay. That account, Activision. Activicious. So here it is. Call of Duty Mobile on the world's smallest smartphone. But it's getting a little bit hot. So here it's the my gaming phone compared to this. This is, I don't know, it's a joke small, but I I don't know, I don't think of any use that I can personally use such a small phone. So, but I'm sure that many people hate big phones, and this is just the perfect one. You know, it fits everywhere. I hate the light from the camera. I just hate it. It's blinking all over the place. So I'm gonna put the new guest name in Call of Duty because I'm not gonna use my account on this phone because the graphics will kill it. Yeah, this is the difference. We're gonna shoot. Wait, this is mega hard to control. Bang, bang. Enemy, why don't you? Bang, 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 bang. Settings on not more on automatic shooting. So now wait a second. It's mega hard to control the game so with this and this size, but yeah. That was all guys for this video. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please subscribe if you didn't until now. If you did, thank you very much. This helps me, and check out my playlist.